guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am decorating my living room mantle for spring and Easter. I will be adding lots of spring and some Easter touches to it. This video is also part of a challenge hosted by Creatively MS Me with Stephanie, and her co-host for this challenge is Shoshana from Regal Design with Shoshana. So we are supposed to decorate the mantle, so that is what I'm doing. I am starting with cleaning it. I am polishing it. I took everything off because I don't like having stuff on. I kind of wanted to have a blank slate, so I took everything off and I'm dusting it with some wood polish, and then I'm going to start adding stuff to it. I am starting with this watering can that I had picked up at Dollarama. I have painted one, but this one I am just keeping as is, and I'm turning it around so the little sunflowers do not show. And I am adding some lamb's ears. Now, I've used these lamb's ears throughout my home in previous decorating videos, but I have picked these up at Hobby Lobby, and I absolutely love using them all year long. To make it more springy, I picked up, for this particular Decorate With Me, I had picked up some of dogwood at Michael's. Now this, they had variety of prices on dogwood. This one was the cheapest, and it was, I think, $3.49, and then they had 50% off on top of that, and I picked up 3 of them. And I just think this makes the whole watering can decor more springy. I will also be adding some of these orchids. I like how they droop down, and so it just adds a little bit more style to it, I guess, more oomph.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be.
Next, I add these 3 pictures that are of my kids, and I always have this when they were little on here, and I just like keeping it on here all the time, and I just decorate around it type of thing.
They passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said.
Now for the height on the other side, I am adding this mercury glass candle holder, candle pillar holder, and then I also have this stainless, it looks like stainless steel candle holder that's a little bit taller. And on top of it, I will be adding my birdhouses. Now, I had made these birdhouses this year, which I have a DIY for it to share the video. They are like Ray Dunn inspired birdhouses, and I picked up the birdhouses at Dollarama. They were just the wooden kind, and I had spray painted them and then just wrote some words on them. And I think they just look so cute on this fireplace. Now I'm going to add some more greenery, and then I'm going to start with my Easter stuff. So this, actually this little container is my dog, and it has to stay here. My daughter does not want it moved, so I always have to work around it. And then this little greenery came from Dollarama, and the big one opposite of it came from Home Sense.
Giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years.
I have this cute wooden bunny with the carrot patch sign that came from Home Sense, and this blue glass egg came from HomeSense as well. Now I just kind of play around until I achieve the look that I'm happy with.
Then I found something I knew would last, just like my mama said. Gradually fades all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday, and the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away.
Now I think I'm finally getting to the point where I'm happy with the way it looks, and I'm going to take you through it and show you how it looks.
That's what my mama said.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and join my YouTube family, and also press the notification bell so that way you don't miss out any of my future posts. And make sure you check out Stephanie's and Shoshana's channels, as well as the playlist that will be linked down below. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.